Hey everyone, it's Angel, and today I'm doing the Kitten Sightings gear collection video that I promised on Instagram. I know a lot of you guys are really excited for this. I originally wanted to do a all gear kitten gear collection video, but I realized it would take way too long, or it would be in multiple parts. So that's going to have its own video, and this is just going to be the Kitten Sightings video. So I'm going to insert clips instead of talking, showing you each and every piece. Unless it's a set, I'll be wearing both pieces at the same time. And info will pop up as like a little caption saying something about the gear if it's special, like a specialty item, a discontinued item, or even a old chateau or KS models item. Everything will be right here, and hopefully this shouldn't be too long, but I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
We'll be right back.